In this video, I'm going to show you how to reduce lag on crafting and building. Now, there's multiple reasons why this could be happening, and in this video, we go over the most common causes and solutions. So the first thing that I want you guys to try out is to adjust your video settings. So please go ahead and press over here, select on settings, then go to the left menu and press on video. And now what you want to do first and foremost is turn down your render distance. This is what I recommend that you guys do the most. This will provide you with the highest ROI. I recommend turning it down to like 6 chunks over here. And while you're here, where it says graphics mode, you want to make sure that where it says frame rate, that it is selected at unlimited. And for graphics mode, make sure that it is set to simple. Don't try to use like fancy graphics or like vibrant visuals, because that is going to actually cause a significant amount of lag. And where it says beautiful skies, turn that off. Same thing with smooth lighting. Then where it says FOV, you can go ahead and leave that the way it is. You should be good to go. And then there you go. All right, now another thing that I recommend that you guys do is try to remove any background apps that you're using. So if you're trying to run crafting and building and Discord and YouTube at the same time, that is going to cause a serious amount of lag. So make sure that you only use one app at a time, or only use the apps that you are absolutely using. Another reason why this could be happening is that you don't have enough space on your phone. So what I recommend that you guys always do is delete any apps or videos that you no longer use, so that you're able to free up space and so that your device has more memory to actually run smoothly. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.